Here we are. Now it's Thursday afternoon and night already. So we go in the new Iraq Mall. Grabe, super big. And this one is just opening last Ramadan. Okay, you see, oh. This one is the ground floor only, this one. And the area parking, grabe. Super talaga, oh, you see. You see, oh. Ayan yung banda. Grabe. Ayun si Sir. At saka si Coco. Super big. Ground lang to. Okay? Grabe. Yan natin. Nilibot natin ito dito. So, grabe. Ground lang to. Ground lang siya. The Iraq Mall. Nandun si Sir na. Nakatingin na. Oh, si Coco, ayun si Coco nakatrolley. Doon kay Sir. Ayan, nakatrolley. Super big. Ilagay natin dito para maglalakad tayo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and likes and comments. Super talaga siya, super lawak ko. Doon kasi si Rat at si Madam. Nag-spend time dahil sa sobrang lawak siya talaga. O andoon pa si Sir pa naman, doon pa eh. Wala pa, oh. Tingnan mo, asa na yung mall, Iraq Mall. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Likes, comments, and subscribe. Bye-bye.